Want to make your videos pop with smooth, professional tween animations, all for free inside CapCut? First, import the clip or image you want to animate into CapCut. This can be anything: a logo, a title, or even a video segment. Next, find the exact point where you want your animation to start. Use the split tool to cut the clip at this point. Repeat the process for where you want the animation to end. Now select the first segment you've created and tap on the keyframe icon, which looks like a diamond. This sets your starting point. Then, move your playhead to the end of the clip and reposition your object on the screen to where you want it to end up. CapCut automatically creates another keyframe. And there you have it. CapCut automatically tweens between these positions, creating a smooth animation. For even more control, tap on the graph icon in the bottom left and experiment with different easing curves to customize the animation's feel, like making it speed up or slow down. Try these steps with scaling and rotating to make even more creative animations. Now go create some dynamic videos and level up your editing game.